Super Deeker hockey machine. Today I will be giving you a tutorial on how to use the Super Deeker. The Super Deeker is a machine / toy that is used to improve your stick handling hockey skills. The first step you want to take to using your Super Deeker hockey machine is, as you can see right here, this is a cord that's going to go into that outlet, and you should plug it into this hole above the power symbol right here. And just to make it more stable, try to not push it into the wall like this, because that could make the machine stop working and you don't want to break it. And so the first step to taking to use your Super Deeker is to plug it in right here, and the game will start. What type of puck to use on the Super Deeker? The Super Deeker is a very special kind of machine and only works with a certain type of puck. And as you can see right here, I have a normal puck, and it's just a normal puck. And watch what happens when I try to use this. It won't activate because this is just a normal puck, and Super Deeker has its own brand of puck that you must use. It has magnets inside of it to trigger off this little red glowing dot here. And so here is a Super Deeker puck. As you can see, it says Super Deeker on it, which has magnets in it. And as you can see, it will activate when you swipe this puck over the red. So watch this. It activates, and then it goes to another spot. And just to prove to you that this is magnetic and a special type of puck, I'm going to put it right here, and it's going to stick. And then you see, if I use a normal puck, it is not going to stick. Some of the precautions you should be careful of while using the Super Deeker is to make sure that you are not banging your stick on the Super Deeker, because as you can see right here, the Super Deeker is a very thin layer, and underneath this is just foam. And then there's not many more other precautions you should take, other than, as right here you can see, there's a rubber band right here meant for sliding the puck on. And in the case that a young toddler is able to undo it, and there's a few small parts right here and right here that could be a choking hazard. Just make sure not to let small people. While using the Super Deeker, the types of sticks that you should use are ice sticks like this one right here, the Bauer. And because this is not a street stick and it doesn't have a rough bottom, try to stay away from rough bottom sticks because they can scrape up your Super Deeker and damage it. And so as you can see right here, any kind of these sticks right here would be able to work on the Super Deeker. Just try not to use street sticks. The Super Deeker is a very fun and effective toy to be using for hockey players. It is meant to to advance your hockey training skills and make your stick handling much smoother and faster and more precise, with each red dot blinking across the map. When you slide the puck over it like this, it goes to different places all the time like that. And then your goal is to get as many as you can in the 45 seconds that you are given to use the Super Deeker. The way that these rubber bands are supposed to be used right here is to be able to simulate passing and board banking, and being able to do that, and it sends the puck right back. I'm going to be showing you the fun of using the Super Deeker and how to use it. As you can see, there are 45 seconds on the clock, and the score right here counts how many times you go over this red dot. And as soon as I go over this red dot, the time will start counting down, and I try to get as many red dots as I can. Super Deeker is used. As you can see, I got the score of 29. When you are done with the Super Deeker, it's very simple. The way to turn it off, there are two simple ways. One way is to unplug it from here, unplug it from the outlet so that no more power is going to it. But then say you don't want to do that and you want to keep this in the outlet without taking away the Super Deeker, then just take this little thingy out right here. Now here I will be teaching you how to fold up the Super Deeker. The first step to folding up the Super Deeker is to take the puck and the outlet plug away, put it up there, and then the next step is to put the Super Deeker on its side, and as you can see, it's like a puzzle right here, and so you want to gently undo the puzzle and then fold the Super Deeker like this. Now I will be showing you how to store the Super Deeker. I suggest that if you're trying to store the Super Deeker for long term, you put it in a type of container, but if you're just trying to like store it for a day or two when you have company over, I suggest to like put it in a closet where it's not gonna get nicked up by anything else. And then so as you can see, I'm just gonna put it in my closet right here. Open it up. And then as you can see, here's all my hockey stuff. And now I'm just going to put the camera down for a second. And as you can see, to safely store it, I'm just going to put it back here and behind everything else. And then, voila, everything is all done with the Super Deeker.